Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy coins on wordtrip. So without any further ado, let's get started. Buying coins often serves as a form of in-game currency or a way to unlock additional features. Also, it allows the players to sustain and improve the products over time. Now, in order to buy the coins, first of all, click on the coins icon in the top section of your screen. On this page, you can see certain amount of coins with certain amount of money. Now, all you have to do is select how many coins you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 800 coins. Then I'll have to tap on 800 option. Then on this pop-up menu, tap on add credit or debit card option. Then all you have to do is enter your card details and enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out and your account will be added with 800 coins. So that is how you can buy coins on wordtrip. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.